Hi, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to install the system app from Android without root. You can remove the system apps without root easily. So here's the system app here in my mobile. You can see the radio app. It can't be uninstalled or even it can't be disabled as well. So we can't uninstall or disable this app. As you can see, there is no option. And also the other app, which is Google, you can see we can't uninstall this app from this mobile as well. I'm also using the latest version of Android here. As you can see, I'm using the Android version 10 here, and it will work on any Android mobile. So to remove the system app from your mobile, then first you have to know the package name of the Android app you want to remove. So for that you can use APK info app from the Play Store to know the package name. Just open the Google Play Store and search for the APK info here. Now scroll down here and install the APK info, this app on your mobile. The direct link is in the description below. Now install this app, and after installing, open the app. Now here you can see the package name of every app below the name of the app. Now find the package name of the app you want to remove. So I want to remove this radio app from my mobile. Now on the APK info app, search for that app here. Now just copy this package name from here, or you can click on it and you can see the package name here. Now to uninstall the system app, you have to connect your Android mobile to PC. We have to use PC to remove the system app. Now before connecting your mobile to PC, make sure to enable the USB debugging on your mobile. Open settings and then go to the about phone. Now open the software information here and then tap on build number 8 times. Now go back to the settings and then open these developer options here. Now scroll down here and enable the USB debugging here. Make sure to turn this on. Now after enabling the USB debugging, connect your mobile to PC. Now I am switching to my PC. So this is my PC. So first of all, you have to download the system app installer for PC. Just open your browser and visit this link, also available in the description below. Scroll down here and then you will find the two links here. Just click on any link here. Now wait 10 seconds here and then the download link will open automatically. Now on this page, scroll down here and then click on this free download button. Now again scroll down here, wait 5 seconds and then fill this captcha here. And after filling this, then click on the create your link button. Now finally on this page, click on this click here to download button. Now the download will start automatically. As you can see, the download has been started, and now you can close this page. And after downloading, open the download folder where you have downloaded the file. Now I am moving this to the desktop. Now extract this using any extracting software like WinRAR. Right click on it and click on extract here. Now after extracting, open this folder and here is the system app installer. You can read this readme as well. Now move this to the desktop. Now before running this, connect your mobile to PC. Now as you can see, my mobile has been connected. Before connecting your mobile, make sure that you have installed the USB driver of your mobile. You can visit this link on your browser, and from here you can download the USB driver of any Android mobile. Just scroll down here and you can see too many Android mobile USB driver link here. If you can't be able to find your mobile here, then you can comment your mobile name here, and then I will post the link of your Android mobile USB driver. So download and install the USB driver of your Android mobile. And then connect your mobile to PC. And after connecting, open this system app uninstaller. Now wait for it to load. Now as you can see this, it automatically detected my device here. If you enable the USB debugging and install the USB driver, then you can see your device detected. Now here type the package name of the Android app you want to uninstall. Now I am mirroring my Android mobile screen to PC using this Scrapy. So here is my mobile screen, and now open the APK Info app on your Android mobile and then copy the package name of the app you want to remove. As I am removing the radio app, so here is the package name. Just type the package name here, and after typing, press enter. Now ADB is restarting, that is why Scrapy is turned off. And now here you can see this success message. If you see this, then it means that the app has been removed from your mobile. Now I will show you from here. Here is my mobile, and here as you can see, the radio app is not there. It has been removed. When I search for this app here, then as you can see, it is not here because it has been removed. So in this way, this app is also can't be uninstalled. So to remove this, just search for this app in APK Info. Search for this app in APK Info and then copy this package name of the Google app. Now I am typing this here in the system app uninstaller. Now press enter, and again ADB restarting. And now as you can see the success message here, and now the Google app is also removed from my mobile. So like that you can remove any system app from your Android mobile. So I'm also showing you from my mobile. As you can see, the Google app has been removed. When I search for this here, then you can see no Google app. So in this way you can remove any system app. Just copy the package name of the system app you want to remove from this APK Info app, and then type the package name in the system app uninstaller here, and then it will remove the app from your mobile. If you still have any question, then you can ask me in the comment section below. You can subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.